and welcome aboard Lady Liselot. Look at me, I am on a spot where the sun shines. And I dropped anchor this morning. It was such a beautiful weather that I decided to leave the marina, drop anchor and edit the last parts of this video. And perhaps you are new to the channel. Welcome aboard my trawler yacht, Lady Liselot. I have a dream because in spring of 2025 I want to leave the Netherlands and I will head for a spot where the sun always shines. I have no idea where that spot is. I guess the Mediterranean because I am in Europe, and I have no idea how long the journey to the spot where the sun always shines will last. But I will leave for sure. And everything I do and everything I share with you on this channel is focused on leaving to a spot where the sun always shines. And if I do not wear my sunglasses at the moment, it is not polite to talk to you with sunglasses. It looks like this. So I will put them up again. Okay, remember the last episodes? I was heading for the Seaport Blankenberge in Belgium because I wanted to celebrate New Year's Eve over there. And man, we had some wins the last couple of days / episodes. Today, I will show some footage of a journey of approximately through the air, 500 meters. Wanna watch this? Okay, it looks like this. On Street View, I saw that here was a possibility to moor. And because of the end of the year, I see that a lot of skippers decided to go home. But there's enough room. Enough room to pass, and then perhaps behind the barges over there I can moor. I have not asked yet. Not allowed to moor except for people with a license. Okay. Terneuzen haven, Lady Liselot. Een hele goede middag. Lady Liselot die is op dit moment in de binnenhaven, noem ik het maar even, van Terneuzen. Volgens mij is dat bij de beurtvaartkade. En ik heb een lengte van 15 meter. Het is een jachie en ik zou graag tegen het kantje willen. Mag dat?
Informeert u even op kanaal 13 bij de RWS 23.
Ah, oké, ik zie hem liggen. Dankjewel. RWS 23, Lady Liselot.
Goedemiddag.
Ja, een hele goede middag. Zoals je ziet kom ik net binnenlopen. En ik zou stiekem hier een nachtje willen overnachten. Kan dat?
Stiekem een nachtje overnachten? Ja, stiekem, dat klinkt al een beetje fout natuurlijk. Nee, ja, dan moet je bij de havenmeester zijn.
Ja.
Maar als ik zo zie, dan liggen alle boxen vol.
Ja, de havenmeester zei tegen mij om het even bij jou te proberen. Ik zie dat ik voor deze barge die hier aan mijn stuurboordkant ligt, daar heb ik nog een plekje voor vrij. Zou dat nog kunnen, denk je?
Nou, dat is niet aan ons.
Oh.
Sowieso al niet, want het zijn vergunninghoudersplekken.
Oh ja.
En het is nog een Seaport gebied.
Ja.
Dus daar hebben wij helemaal niks over te zeggen. En op ons gebied van RWS, daar hebben we geen lichtplaatsen voor pleziervaart. We gaan even kijken voor een telefoonnummer van Noord Seaport. Of van de, in ieder geval de autoriteit die er hier over gaat. Even een momentje.
Ja, dank je. unfortunately, there is no birthing place available for me. Well, it is almost Christmas time, so if I was Joseph, I would say to Maria, sorry Maria, we have to continue. Oh my goodness. There is no place in the hotel. Too bad. They tried it, but unfortunately, let's wave. Oh, too bad, eh? Too bad. I had hoped I could moor over here. That is 15 meters, but I'm not allowed. Too bad. Oh, and now I have to continue through the locks again, because this is all barge territory. There is a small marina over there. There's no place. And then when I go outside, I also have the current against, and it's approximately 2-hour drive from Terneuzen towards Breskens. It is 3 o'clock right now. Okay, back to 18. What's the name again? Oostsluis. Oostsluis. Lady Liselot. Ja, een hele goede middag. Ik heb net een schutting meegemaakt naar binnen. En had gehoopt dat ik hier tegen de kade kon liggen. Maar er is nergens een plekje voor me. Dus ik moet weer naar buiten. Ben je op dit moment bezig met een schutting of moet ik even wachten?
Dat wordt wel even wachten, want ik moet nog in gaan varen naar de buitenkant.
Ja. Nou ja, dat zei zo. Dan heb ik tijd voor koffie, moet je maar denken. Tot zo. Oh. Beautiful spots over here, but I am not allowed to moor. One would almost say, well, F it, and just moor there and see what happens. Oh, over here. I would say I had hoped that I could moor here, but I saw the fences. Coffee time. Whew. Yeah, this is something. At least we have 45 minutes before I can go through the locks. So it's coffee only, because I already had my mergpijp cookie today. I only have one a day. But why don't you take another one? Nobody sees it. You are all by yourself. Yes. Sometimes people say you are alone. And I think that alone is a different word. It has a different value than by yourself. Ooh. Food for the shrink. Perhaps you watch this video and you think by yourself, but Henk-Jan, have a look how much meters of free quay. Please drop Lady Liselot next to the quay. Stay over there, switch off your AIS. Nobody will know. Yeah. But it has to do with something that happens over here and perhaps over here. So if it is not allowed, then I act like that. It is not allowed. So if I say that I will do something, then I will do something. And if I say that I will do not, or if I didn't do anything, then be sure that I didn't do it. So it's morale or something like that. Anyhow. Hi and meet Henk-Jan. Yeah, so the sign says you are not allowed to moor over here. The guy from Rijkswaterstaat, the Department of Bridges, Rivers and Canals, etc., said to me, this is only for guys who have a permit, and you are pleasure craft, so you do not have a permit. Yeah, and then I leave. I do not moor over there. So you saw the meters of a quay. I do not moor over there. Three barges in front of me, and now I am allowed to enter the lock also. Wow, I did not press record. I am 50 centimeters from Alaska, and that is because they have two sets of doors, and he asked me to come as close as possible, and then the barge next to me is using his prop. Well, and we go down. Whew. Let's see. I brought a spring line towards the bollard in the wall because Alaska is leaving and I want to stay on my spot, of course. So the bow is now holding its position towards Alaska when Alaska is moving. Yeah, nice, nice, nice. Ik ben zover, Sluis.
Ja, ik had je eigenlijk gelijk door willen laten varen, maar ik krijg je buurman niet aan de lijn, dus ja, dan gaan we er ook nu niet op wagen, hè.
Ja, ik lig toch al los. Zal ik maar gewoon gas geven?
Waarom nou dan?
Hoppatee. Verkeerscentrale Terneuzen, Lady Liselot.
Lady Liselot, centraal Terneuzen, over.
Ja, een hele goede avond. Ik ga zo meteen kort om het bochtje naar de Veerhaven. Is dat akkoord?
Lady Liselot, centraal Terneuzen, antwoord positief. Nog wel een afvarende binnenvaart. Die is bestemd voor de West-Buitenhaven. Die passeert met zo'n 7 minuten over.
Oké, hou ik daar rekening mee. Ik blijf gewoon kort aan mijn eigen kantje.
Begrepen.
We have high tide at Vlissingen at 1900 hours. It is 17:30 at the moment, so we have current in front of the harbor entrance. I have to pay attention to that and not steer too close to the harbor head. Careful, you have no idea what the current does. Yeah, that's true. I thought that it would push me away, but it hardly did. Okay, and now I have to find the marina. I think it is over there, but I'm not sure, and I do see a lot of lights. So at least that is a boat. Well, it says it is a marina, but I do not see any yachts yet. Okay, relax.
My cameras are misty. Foggy. Is this a marina? Yeah, it looks like it. Oh man. It's a workboat, that's for sure, because of all the lights. And I have no idea if I can pass behind it. I cannot see it. I see there wooden bollards. Okay. There's not much room behind me, and my camera doesn't work, doesn't show anything. Okay, easy. Well, I really had plan B and plan C. Plan B was that this would be a marina where I could moor, because it really looks stupid this way how I do it. Okay, I will try over there. Okay, we have a wide berth over there, and we have a long pontoon over here. Yeah, I think it will fit. Okay. Okay. Ready. Wow. Switch off recording. In the wheelhouse was not enough light, and I have a ring light over here, so I switched that one on. Hi and welcome in Terneuzen. Wow, that was a journey. I think that from the spot where I wanted to moor towards this spot, through the air is approximately 500 meters maximum. And it took us hours to get here in the marina. And I said I could not see any boats, but if you look at the cameras right now, then you will see some pleasure crafts. So, I will go to the office. I saw some signs over there. We call it the day. We call it the day. Thank you very much for joining me aboard Lady Liselot. If you liked it, please give me the thumbs up or comment in the section below. And for now, thank you very much for watching. And do I see you in the next episode? Alright then. Bye-bye. Whew. Come on, let's go.